Well, I'm not surprised of what President Duterte is doing right now when tagbawgad ang pag-expose sa mga corrupt officials or any corrupt personnel that is in the government is because at the first place that is one of his campaign ika nga to eliminate drugs from 3 to 6 months, and then maybe he is just showing that it is because he wants to prove, or he wants to let the nation see ika nga na he is really dead serious about his campaign against drugs and criminality.
Para sa akin po as a student, positive po siya. Siyempre po, malalaman natin yung mga corrupt na mayor na akala niya naglilinis-linisan. So, i-expose niya para malaman natin na malinis niya yung buong Pilipinas. Yun yung process niya, because I trust Mayor Rodrigo Duterte.